Okay, this is an example of the string builder class. Well, that's my string builder class. It's not the same as Java string builder class, but it works basically the same way. Okay, this is the basic class right here. So before we'd be using string and string builder as the same thing, but they're not really the same thing at all. Okay, string contains all the function. Just build a string, just creates an array, and there are characters inside it that you can access. We can find, reverse, compare, rotate, range, destroy. Same things we've been doing before. That's just a string. Okay, string builder, it takes something that we've been doing before, but it puts it inside its own class. So while string is just the buffer itself, it's not resizable. Well, you could resize it, but actually you will resize it, but for now it's just we have the length on the size, and just has characters. But string builder, it has the capacity and a length. When a string builder is created, it has just a buffer, but no characters inside it. So the capacity and the length are the same. So you can add things into the string builder and then build a string without having to resize everything. You just create a long string builder and then just keep adding characters into it one at a time. Keep adding characters, string, and everything else. Add character. Okay, to add a character while the string length is less than capacity, we just put a well, we just set the index, set the string's index to the string to the whatever the position of the string length is. We just append whatever the position of the string length is, as long as it doesn't exceed the capacity, and then we increment the string length. I hope that's clear right here. So we just keep adding stuff to the end of the string. Add a character to the end of the string, whatever else. To append a string, we just go to this append a C string, an alternative string. While we haven't reached null character, just keep appending characters one at a time. Okay, to append an integer, that's the same thing we've been doing. I think we did this before. Uh, well, just explain it again. Okay, while the character is not, but this one we did that before. Okay, just keep taking the remainder of divide the number and you take the remainder, and then whatever the remainder is, as long as less than 35, we just take the index of the remainder and then put it inside the buffer. We build everything backwards, so so here we had zeros. We build everything backwards, so we have to reverse it. So we have to reverse that particular part of the string. But otherwise, it's pretty simple. Okay, erase just set the string to 0. So you just set everything to 0 enter so that we can start over. Okay, destroy is pretty self-explanatory. Destroy the string. So we use the string as the buffer, and hope that's simple enough here. Okay, for a string builder, first we start by appending an integer. This is the result. We start by appending an integer, and we append each character one at a time. Well, each word one at a time. Append the integer, append the colon, and each word and the space one at a time, so we can build a string. And we do that one at a times. So just to indicate, later that's going to become clearer in the next module. But for now, just to note that you can just build a string one character, one word, or one character at a time, or one letter or one number at a time, whatever you need. And we just do that one at a times. And because we created string builder to just 4096, when it reaches 4096 bytes, it just stops because it can't go any further because that's the size. Here we can't resize it, but in the next one we're going to show how to resize string builder. So the idea, if you're familiar with Java, so it's the same thing here. Just keep adding strings and whatever into a buffer until we reach the end of it. So that's pretty simple right here. So we just print the whole string as one single block. Just keep growing the string and then print it as one single block and destroy. That's it. Next one, we're going to show how to resize it.